So anybody who does a lot of bowl turning probably has a bowl turning sander. These are really nice for turning bowls. They hold a 2-inch hook and loop sandpaper, and it makes it really easy to sand the inside and the outside of a bowl through multiple grits. As you can see, I keep them hanging right here on my tool pallet. I have two of them, a 2-inch and a 1-inch. Is that keeping those little sanding discs organized can be a real pain. If you're working on a bowl and you want to find the right sandpapers in some reasonable amount of time, you got to have a good way to store them. What I found is the best way to store my sandpaper discs. I have a lot of these little Plano storage boxes that have a lot of pen turning parts and such in them, but I took one of those and just removed the lid, and I keep it in a drawer right here below my lathe, and it's got all of my 2-inch sanding discs in it. But these are very handy, and it's nice because you can take them out and you can bring it up on the lathe and set them next to you, or set them next to your workspace, or you can swap them out real easy.